Hello everyone. In the last video we have discussed about the joins concept and what are the things are present in the joins and types, what is joins, everything we have discussed. In the last session we discussed only the Cartesian join, how it will be working. So what are the things are present in the Cartesian join we have discussed with the practical session. So today we'll talk about this very important thing is inner join. So inner join is also known as equi join. Equi join. So today we'll discuss this inner join or equi join, how it will be working, and when do we use, where do we use, everything we'll discuss now. So now first, so what is the meaning of this inner join? So joining is nothing but we are going to get the multiple table data. So here multiple types are there. So based on that condition, we are going to use the particular joins. So the which purpose we are using the inner join? We used to get the matching records present in the table. So that's purpose we use inner join concept. So pretty simple. Okay, let me give the proper definition. It is used to get the matching records from the table from the tables. So this is about the definition. Only it provides the matching records. So how do we identify the matching records? Yes, to writing the joining condition. So what is the meaning of joining condition? So everything we'll discuss. So before that, let us understand the syntax of ANSI. First, we'll discuss this ANSI syntax. Okay, let me write this ANSI syntax first. As it is, we go for the select statement. Select asterisk or column name or expression we can write from a table name 1. Okay, since we are using the ANSI syntax, so that's why I'm directly writing the join name. Which join it is? Inner join. I write inner join. Inner join table name 2. Likewise, we can write the multiple table. Okay, so this is the ANSI syntax. So we should write on clause. In the on clause, we can write the normal condition and all condition. So especially we need to write this join condition. Okay, so let talk about this join condition. So what is the meaning of this join condition? Join condition, it is one of the condition it is used to join the table. Join condition means it's an condition used to join the table. This is your joining condition. And one more syntax we have, that is Oracle syntax. So how the things are present in the Oracle syntax? So as it is, syntax are same over here. At the last it will be little bit changing. So here we should not use this inner join. Instead of this inner join, we should use the comma, and here instead of this we use where clause. Okay, so this is about your joining condition. So what is the meaning of this joining condition? What are the things to be written in the joining condition? So that should be known here. Okay, so let me take one example. Here I have a example. So this is my table. Okay, so employee table and department table I have. So now I would say one question, example question. Example I'm going to use over here. First question. display all the details of employee and department, all the detail of employee and department. Okay, so if I use the Cartesian join, it will provide both matching record and unmatching record from the table. So I don't want to display all the data, some clumsy data I don't want. I want to display only the matching with the each other values. So how can I do this? Let me go with the output. So let me write this select asterisk from, because all the detail means I can write directly asterisk from emp comma department. I can easily interchange the value also emp comma department. Okay, first I can write department, then I can also write this emp, nothing problem over here. And so I used this Oracle syntax. I use where clause. In the where clause, what to be written over here? Simple joining condition. What are the joining condition we have? Where. So joining condition, how to write the joining condition? Okay, so here joining condition syntax will be there. What is the syntax? Let me write the syntax. Table name 1 dot your column name equal to table name 2 dot column name. So which column to be written over here? Which table should be selected? Okay, so according to my table, I am going to select this emp is my table 1. Okay, so according to the syntax, I am going to write emp is my table 1 and dot column name is there. Which column name? Here multiple columns are there. Okay, so whenever we write to join condition, we always look into the what? Primary key and foreign key, or else relational attributes. Where is the relational attribute? See, do they have any relationship? Yes, employee table and department table have a relationship based on the primary key and foreign key. So now primary key present in the department table and foreign key present in the employee table. So now I should write first primary key or foreign key. Again it's confusing. Okay, so if I select the employee table, so what is the department, what is the column of the foreign key? Department number. So based on the table, it might be a primary key or foreign key. Now I'll use the department table dot department number. Okay, so this is your joining condition. So can we interchange the joining condition? Yes, of course we can interchange the joining condition. So finally I will use this semicolon, as it is first order of execution always from clause. Order of execution from clause will be executed, then your where clause will be executed, order of second order of execution, then the third order of execution will be select clause. So this is your joining condition syntax. Okay, so after this, so how it will be achieving? First from clause will execute this two table under execution, then where clause will be executed. So how the things will be executed? See here, it will be selected emp.department number means in employee table select department number. Okay, so in employee table it will be selected the department number. So this department number will be start to comparing. Okay, and on which column it will be comparing? The department table of the department number. Okay, so we have to look into that two column, this department number and this department number. Okay, so from the first value of the employee table, so it will be selected which one. 10 will be, one second, yes, first value will be selected 10. So 10, it will be comparing the value, this one 10 equal to 10. Okay, so here 10 equal to 10, yes, obviously this is the true value. Again, the same 10 will be comparing with the second value of the another table. What is the second value of the another table? 20 is there. Yes, true or false? Yes, it is a false. Next, same 10, it will be comparing with the another value. What is another value? The third value is 40. Okay, 10 equal to 40. No, this is false statements. Okay, so this one, it will be always selected. For weight loss, always it will be selected true value. So similar manner, it will be checking each and every value. So after 10 done, then it will be selected the second row or second value. What is the second value? 20 is there. 20 equal to first value is 10. No, this is false. This is your false statement. Next, again the 20 will be comparing with the 20 second value. This one and this one will be compared. Is true or false? It is true because both values are equal. Then one more, the 20 will be comparing with the 40. So can we say it is a true? False. Similar manner, one more, the last condition to be selected. Which one? That is 30. Similar here, 30 will be selected. 30 equal to 10. Yes, true. It's not a true, sorry, thus false. Then 30 equal to 20, actually it is false. 30 equal to 40, again it will be false. Okay, so your inner join, it will be give only the matching record. How the matching record will be selected? From the weight loss, it will be filtered. Whatever the true values are there, that will be selected and remaining will be rejected, which means 10 and 20 are matching with the both table and another record doesn't match with the both record. So then your select clause will execute and it will prepare output. How it will be given the output? Matching records. What are the matching records are they? The first two value are matching records. That is your output. Output will be Rolex 10 and 10 accounting, Martin 20 operation. So this is how the inner join will be working. Okay, so likewise we can write a multiple questions and multiple query. So let's see in the practical session. Okay, I will give a more example in the practical real time because we need to understand how the things will be executed in the real time. So this is about your inner join concept. You can easily understood. Okay, so then I'll use this my application and I'm going to log into the application. My username is Scott and I have given the password and just connected. I'll give this basic commands which will be used. 200 pages, 100, and let me clear the screen and I will be clearing here. Okay, first let me display this only employee table. This is my employee table. I have a mixed value here. Okay, and 14 records I have. and when it comes to this department number, I have a different values, but these all are the same, but is present in the different records. Okay, so parallelly we'll execute this department table also. So department table have 4 records. Okay, so here 10, 20, 30, 40 will be there. Here only the 10, 20, 30 is there. So now I am going to get all the detail of the table. Okay, so how can I do this? Select asterisk from DEPT. First, if I write DEPT, department table will be displayed. If I write the employee table detail will be displayed. Where joining condition emp dot department number equal to department dot department number. If I execute, I got the output like this. All the department detail here and along with the employee detail. So this is your output. You can see all the matching records. All 10 are matching here, all 20s are matching here, all 30s are matching here. With the department name, location, everything it has been displayed. So this is a general execution in the nutshell. So sometime now I have to use this as the syntax. How I can write this? From emp comma department. Okay, instead of this using comma, I use join name inner join department. Here I cannot use the where clause. In the where clause, joining condition is same. emp dot department number equal to department dot department number. So we got the same output. So sir, here output is different. Why? See, very simple. First I have a used here department table, so that's why department table detail will be displayed. Here I used employee table, so that's why employee table detail will be displayed. Now you can easily compare the value over here. See, yeah, department number, department number, department number. Only the matching records are given. Okay, so let us discuss some more different kind of the questions. Okay, so let me type over here. I use display name and department number along with department name of all the employees or the employee if they are working as manager. They are working as manager. So this is my next query, another query. So what should be displayed? Name, department number along with the department name of all the employees if they are working as a manager. So pretty simple answer. Select I can select any of the joining here. I mean either ANSI or Oracle syntax. I'm just going with the ANSI Oracle syntax because it is very easy to write the queries. Okay, so name means ename, department name. So now department number I use from emp comma department, where emp dot department number equal to department dot department number. And so now I'm going to write a normal condition. What is the normal condition? Working as a manager. Okay, so job equal to within the single quotes, let me write this manager. So what happened? See, whether it is correct or not, I really don't know, but I will execute. If I execute, definitely I get the error. Where is the error? I'll let you know things. So now it shows a column ambiguously defined error. Why it shows column ambiguously defined error? See, so actually where the error located yes, department number. So it clearly showing in the line 1, it shows error. Where is the error? So this is your error. So what is the problem over here? Yes, okay, I'll just go back to the last query. You can see here department number and department number. So why it column ambiguous? Because the same column are present, system itself getting confusion. So ambiguous is nothing but one kind of the confusion in itself in the system. So what is the confusion? Department number, department number. Now system is asking me, so which department to be selected over here? Either the employee table and department table. So my decision is pending. You should clarify the decision. So now we should specify things to identify a system. So what I can do is, now when I writing this primary key and foreign key, so make sure that we should use either any one of the table, EMP table or department table, because both table we have specified over here. Okay, so then it will be executed and it will give the output. So this is how the things will be working. And majority of the people where they're doing mistake is when you are writing the joins, especially the inner joins, they'll definitely forget this thing. Okay, so now, so instead of this, if I use department, what will happen? Nothing will happen. It will give the same output. Nothing changes over here. You can check also. So this is how the inner join will be working. If I have the multiple condition, can we? Yes, we can write a multiple condition also. So now I would select it. One of the thing, display name and department name along with department number of all the employee. If the employee more earning more than Smith. Okay, so this question is a pretty confusing question. Why? Because here we should display two table detail along with some subquery things also present. So how I can do this? Just write it as in a simple manner: ename, comma, department name, department name, department number will be there. So that's why I use emp dot department number from emp comma department, where as it is we should write the joining condition based on the table. So first let me write this joining condition. Okay, so I clearly written the joining condition, and I'm going to check my condition. What is the condition? The employees are earning more than the Smith. Yes, so this question is clearly saying what unknown in the present is nothing but we should use the subquery. So let me write the subquery. So can we write? Yes, obviously we can write the join and subquery combination also. So nothing will happen over here, and I'm just going to write this. Okay, salary. Why salary? Because I'm checking about the what earning things. So that's why salary is greater than. Okay, so let me write the select sal from EMP, because salary belongs to only the employee table, where, so I know one condition, that is ename equal to Smith. Okay, so likewise also we can use joins, and we can hybrid this joins and subquery also. So this is what your answer. So everything will be achieved and everything will be used over here.